Alright, it's getting busy in here. It's getting more people. Those guys are doing cleaning the road, keep these roads yeah, this pad sides are clean. Good job. 10 stars for them. 10 stars for them. And because I'm a bit starving, I'm looking for something to eat on this beach. See if we can find something around here. Oh, would be nice if some coffee and bread. That would be nice. Let's check it out. Check it out along this. Look at this beach. Let me tell you. It's empty and dying, guys. The pool is green. Imagine the pool is green. Alright, let's couple in here. And this one is since 2 months ago. It's still empty. It looks like no one in there. This is spa, massage, and I'm fine. Yeah, some people around here. It's a lot of people. Yeah, it's packed people for breakfast. I don't know. This looks like a conference or something, and they stay in this place. And they don't look like a local. I mean, like a tourist. More like a business guys. I'm in here again. Never get bored of this place. Such a nice place. And let's go. I didn't see any coffee around here. Looking for like local coffee, which is normally it's 5,000 a glass. How much is that? It's like 10p, 10 cents, or maybe 5 cents, 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents. That's right. That's the correct words. 50 cents for a glass of coffee, which is local coffee, instant coffee. That's what I mean. That guy is still in here. Hopefully he catch any fish, bring it to the kids. Yeah, actually he do, guys, but small fish. Misi bu, kasih ya. Alright, thank you. See that polite. If you're polite to people, they will polite back to you. Yes, that's life. That's life. Yeah, smile to people, they will smile to you back. Bang. Alright, getting packed people. Earlier it's not so many, but now it's more people coming around here. I guess this just woken up. Yeah. Have to drive slowly along here. Oh man, I'm starving, man. I'm starving. Missy, thank you. More people are fishing in here because the tides is coming up. I guess the fish coming in. I guess so. Right, look at this hotel. I don't know what hotel it is, but this one, the one has a helicopter pad. That's how I say. There's more people on that side. Yeah, this is the gate. Get inside. Misi bu, kasih ya, kasih. Alright, that's the helipad in there. It's just right there. The helipad is just right there. Alright, there we go. That's the helipad, and this is the hotel. Do you recognize this hotel, guys? Misi, kasih. I am back to Discovery Mall. Siapa ya? Let me see. Alright, I'm back to Discovery Mall. And let's go find the coffee. Still people are selfie in here. I just saw people bought a fish, not a fish, bought some fish. Alright, I'm back in here. I guess sure I will find a coffee around here. Oh yeah, actually some people in here. Alright, two boys. Hopefully they are not no. Alright, let's go find a coffee. Ah guys, I can see coffee in here. Who want a coffee? Alright guys, finally I found a coffee, which is, that's what I want, like a local coffee. Let's find out how much it is. Oh, alright. Berapa kopinya? Hah? 3,000. Alright, saya mau Nescafe. Ini ada bubuknya nggak dalamnya? Nggak ada bubuk dia ya, kayak kopi pahit itu loh. Nggak ada. Ya, kan biasanya kopi.
Mau kopi Bali ada?
Enggak. Ini kan kalau ini kan hitam ada bubuk-bubuknya itu loh.
Ada ampas.
Ampasnya ini ada ampasnya nggak?
Ada. Kalau yang nggak ada ampasnya ini sama white.
Ini aja deh, kafe aja. Okay, 3,000 and also they have a gorengan in here as well. Yeah. Biasa macis gorengan. Gorengannya berapa? Alright, gorengan is 1,000. It's 10 cent. For you guys 10 cent. Let's find a nice place to sit on, and I will enjoy my coffee. That's this nice place. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it. That's this nice place to sit on. Enjoy the ocean. Look, enjoy this ocean, guys. Look. Boleh aku duduk sini? See that? Coffee is 3,000. That's mean 30 cent. And goreng pisang, which is goreng pisang is fried banana. Take my glass off. Sure, I can see it. Bu, sama goreng pisang bu ya. Goreng pisang 5 boleh. Alright, this is my coffee. It's nice Nescafe instant coffee from packet. 3,000 guys. 3,000. It's really cool. It's still cheap. Yes, cheap. Oh, I don't like that sunshine on my face. I will look like someone different. Really nice, really nice. I will show you what goreng pisang is for. It's fried banana. It's fried banana. So they fry banana with flour, and in the flour they put the sugar and a little bit salt. Look at this. This is a fried banana. Fried banana. It's a bit cold. Because of the fried banana is a bit cold, unless we drink hot coffee. Man, it's so hot. I did ask for hot, but in Bali you can order tea. Normally tea is hot, right? But in Bali you can choose the level, which is a warm tea or warm coffee. So they make it for you. So make sure if you are go to the local people, order for tea. If you like hot, make sure you say hot, not just tea. Otherwise, coming with warm tea. And if you don't like warm tea, man, this is trouble. So, or on trouble, you should know this trick if you go to the local people, to the local shop, shopping something. Ask first before you buy. That's the other thing. Alright, goodbye everyone. I want to enjoy my coffee and the beach. Alright, thank you so much. I wish you all the best and happy weekend. Bye.